Somalia, a nation synonymous with resilience, boasts the longest coastline in mainland Africa. This expansive coastline, stretching over 3,000 kilometers, holds immense economic potential. It is a gateway to vital maritime trade routes connecting the Indian Ocean and the Suez Canal. This strategic location positions Somalia as a potential hub for global trade and commerce. The waters off the Somali coast teem with abundant marine resources. These resources, ranging from fisheries to potential oil and gas reserves, represent a wealth of untapped potential. Harnessing this potential, however, requires strategic partnerships and investment. Somalia's blue economy holds the key to unlocking economic growth and prosperity for its people. By investing in sustainable fishing practices, Somalia can become a major exporter of seafood. Furthermore, the development of port infrastructure and logistics networks can transform Somalia into a regional trade hub. The potential is there, waiting to be unlocked. Egypt, an ancient civilization with a rich history, stands as a pillar of stability in North Africa. With a strong military and a commitment to regional security, Egypt plays a crucial role in maintaining peace and order. Beyond its security contributions, Egypt is an economic powerhouse. Its bustling cities, led by the vibrant metropolis of Cairo, are centers of commerce and industry. Egypt's industrial sector is diverse, encompassing manufacturing, tourism, and energy production. The country has made significant strides in recent years in attracting foreign investment and fostering economic growth. Egypt's commitment to regional stability and economic collaboration makes it an ideal partner for Somalia and Eritrea. By leveraging its expertise and resources, Egypt can contribute to the development of a prosperous and interconnected Horn of Africa. Eritrea, strategically positioned along the Red Sea, is a vital partner in the Horn of Africa. Its geographic location grants it access to crucial shipping lanes, further enhancing the region's connectivity. Beyond its strategic location, Eritrea shares deep cultural and historical ties with both Somalia and Ethiopia. This cultural affinity fosters understanding and cooperation among these nations. Eritrea's role in the tripartite alliance extends beyond its geographic advantages. The country possesses untapped mineral resources and a young, growing population. By working together, Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea can leverage their respective strengths to create a more prosperous and interconnected region. The strategic alliance between Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea is built on a foundation of shared interests and a common vision. All three nations recognize the immense potential for growth and development within the Horn of Africa. They understand that by working together, they can overcome the challenges that have historically hindered progress. This alliance is not merely a political arrangement, it's a testament to the spirit of cooperation and the belief in a brighter future for the region. By pooling their resources, sharing expertise, and coordinating their efforts, these three nations aim to usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity. The alliance is committed to promoting peace and security, fostering economic growth, and improving the lives of their people. This shared vision forms the bedrock of their partnership, guiding their actions and shaping their collective destiny. Recognizing the transnational nature of this threat, Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea have joined forces to secure their shared maritime domain. Through joint naval patrols, intelligence sharing, and capacity-building initiatives, the alliance aims to create a safer and more secure maritime environment. By working together, they can effectively combat piracy, protect international trade, and safeguard their economic interests. This collaborative approach not only enhances security, but also fosters greater trust and cooperation among the three nations. The strategic alliance between Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea recognizes the pivotal role of trade in driving economic growth and development. By streamlining trade procedures, reducing barriers, and promoting investment, the alliance aims to unlock the immense trade potential within the Horn of Africa. Somalia, with its strategic location along major shipping routes, stands to benefit significantly from increased trade flows. Egypt, with its well-established manufacturing sector, can provide essential goods and services to its partners. Eritrea, with its growing economy, offers a promising market for goods and services from Somalia and Egypt. By fostering closer economic ties, the alliance aims to create a win-win situation for all three nations. Access to reliable and affordable energy is crucial for economic development and improving living standards. Recognizing this, Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea are exploring collaborative energy projects to meet their growing energy needs. These projects focus on renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal, ensuring sustainable and environmentally friendly development. By sharing expertise, technology, and resources, the alliance aims to expand energy access, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and promote sustainable development. These collaborative efforts not only address energy security concerns, but also contribute to mitigating climate change and protecting the environment for future generations. Agriculture plays a vital role in the economies of Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea, providing livelihoods for a significant portion of their populations. The alliance recognizes the importance of agricultural cooperation in ensuring food security, enhancing rural livelihoods, and driving economic growth. By sharing best practices, introducing climate-smart agricultural techniques, and promoting agricultural trade, the alliance aims to increase agricultural productivity, enhance food security, and improve the incomes of farmers. Furthermore, cooperation in areas such as irrigation, water management, and agricultural research can contribute to more sustainable and resilient agricultural practices. Efficient and reliable infrastructure is essential for economic growth, regional integration, and improving people's lives. The strategic alliance between Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea prioritizes infrastructure development as a key driver of progress. This includes projects focusing on transportation networks such as roads, railways, and ports, as well as energy infrastructure, including power plants and transmission lines. By investing in modern and sustainable infrastructure, the alliance aims to facilitate trade, reduce transportation costs, improve connectivity, and attract foreign investment. For decades, the Horn of Africa has been plagued by conflict, instability, and poverty. However, the strategic alliance between Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea represents a new dawn for the region, a shift from conflict to cooperation, from division to unity. This alliance is not just about securing borders or pursuing economic interests. It's about building a better future for the people of the Horn of Africa. It's about creating a region where peace prevails, where economies thrive, and where people can live in dignity and security. The strategic alliance between Somalia, Egypt, and Eritrea is a beacon of hope for the Horn of Africa. It's a testament to the power of cooperation, the importance of dialogue, and the shared aspiration for a brighter future. This alliance has the potential to transform the region, not only by boosting trade and economic growth, but also by fostering greater understanding, trust, and cooperation among its people. The journey ahead will undoubtedly have its challenges, but the commitment to this shared vision, the spirit of unity, and the determination to succeed will pave the way for a future of shared prosperity in the Horn of Africa.